Hey guys, today we're gonna make curry crab. It's been a while, I know. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. So, what you're gonna need is fresh caught or bought crab, and make sure you wash them good. Remove the hairs, brush them, remove the dirt, and then you're gonna heat up your oil. Blend your onion, your garlic, and your pepper. Pepper is optional. If you don't have pepper, fresh pepper, you can also use chili powder, cayenne powder. Fry that up until it's golden brown. Then you're gonna add some salt to liking. Then you're gonna add a heap of curry. We add about 3 tablespoons of curry, some tomato, and you're gonna let that fry very well. Add some water and bring to a slight boil. I'm gonna add some black pepper and cumin powder. Stir it up and add your fresh crabs. And there you go. Make sure stir that up very well. Look at that big piece. Big claw. It's a good idea to cook the crab in a deep pan. That way you can stir it well and add some sauce to it, but the sauce comes after. Then you're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're ready, you're gonna add your celery and some water. Add enough to make sauce, and remember to always taste the salt if it's enough or if more is necessary. You're gonna bring to a boil and let it cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it. Serve with some white rice. Some roti will do, anything actually. Hope you enjoyed this easy recipe, and feel free to let me know how yours turned out. Go like, subscribe, and share this video. And oh, by the way, while on vacation on St. Martin during Hurricane Erin, we got to pig out on this amazing plate: rice, pumpkin, curry goat, and curry crab. God bless my mom.